This new AI coding agent doesn't just generate code, it builds and deploys a full stack end to end real time web application with authentication, robust database, a backend, and even live syncs it with just one prompt. Now, that is just freaking awesome, and it is called as Convex Chef. And the time it took me to write a tweet about it, it had already deployed a full stack e-commerce store as well as a live Q&A wall with authentication and all the stuff that you need in a production ready application. So it isn't just prototype anymore. We are talking about production code bases. So let me show you what this thing can do. And this video is kindly sponsored by Convex. Convex Chef is a new AI coding agent that's built on top of Convex. And Convex is a open source reactive database. Just like we have React that leans on state changes to re-render the components, Convex reactive database does the same but for the backend. The fact that Convex Chef is built on top of Convex is really freaking exciting. So let me give it a prompt asking it to build a commerce store with a checkout system. Maybe seed a few sample products. Now, as you can see, I have returned a poorly written prompt, but I intentionally did that to show you the power of Convex Chef. For example, right now it's creating the schema for our e-commerce store. And if you're new to development or even new to the world of backend, then having this type of architecture helps you a lot because you can ship really solid production ready applications with Convex. Also has built-in auth system, so you control your data. And if you take a look at the database, for example, it hasn't created the tables yet, but in a second we will view all the tables created here where you could also see authentication data and you control all your users, which is really awesome. There we go. You can see all the auth sessions, tokens, auth accounts, cart items, orders, products, and so on. So now if we take a look at preview, we already have this option to sign in with auth. We could either sign in and sign up, or we could just sign in anonymously. And right now, cart is empty, but we can ask it to create a few sample products for me, for example. And this is just gonna seed the sample products into the database, and we can just use that to play around with our application. And so as you can see here, it is automatically just fixing the errors as well. And now it has encountered an error, and I'm just gonna ask Chef, and it's just gonna fix this error automatically and redeploy our application as well, which is really awesome because I can just click buttons now and build a fully production ready e-commerce app. I have reviewed the tech stack from Convex, and it uses Vite with React router for our application. And the code that is generated is truly for a production ready code base. So now it has given us a button for seeding the products. And as we do, you can actually add to cart, for example, and there is a cart now. So order has been placed successfully. I'm pretty sure if I say ask to integrate Stripe, it's going to do that as well. But let's quickly take a look at the database, and you can see we have cart items, or I should say we have orders, because my cart is empty now since I already placed an order. For example, we have products, we have users, and so on. Similarly, if I go ahead and add wireless headphone to a cart and go to cart items, then we already have a new cart as well. So this is what I mean. It's so easy to just interact with the database versus having to connect to a bunch of different services in all different places to do so. It also created a bunch of handy little functions for us that we could use. We have file storage, but my favorite feature is also logging. So you know exactly what function was invoked, and you would also be able to review the health of the functions as well. So we have a really good dashboard to view data, look at logs, and debug our application further. On top of all of this, what makes Convex Chef really different is that it's a real-time, as you can see, full stack AI agent. It is really useful for real-time full stack applications using the Convex database, and it's coming all together to create this robust, powerful production ready app. Plus, if you click on deploy, it's literally going to deploy in seconds this entire application that we see, which is just freaking mind blowing. Like, look at that, it's already deployed. So if I click on view site, we have our application ready. So I can sign in anonymously, add to cart, add to cart. Now there should be another cart created here. So if you go to the database and go to the data, we have another cart created as well. At the same time, if you want to go ahead and also sign out and sign up instead, you could do that as well. So all of this is just available readily for us thanks to Convex Chef. There is no setup needed, no boilerplate. You can become the chef and start cooking. And that's literally what it truly does. Now, as next steps, I really want you to check out this specific app. Go to the URL in the description below and check out the application and let me know what you think of Convex Chef and if you have any questions. If you do, please let me know. I'm happy to help you with any questions you may have. Now, as next steps, please check out this full stack AI SaaS video that's built on top of Convex that allows you to ship a Todoist clone. Or you can take a look at this specific full stack AI SaaS application, which allows you to ship a AI SaaS app. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.